Assalamu alaikum, karibuni to Aroma of Zanzibar's kitchen. Today I'm going to share with you how I make my childhood favorite sandwich, and it's club sandwich. So in my pan over here, I have got 3 pieces of medium-sized chicken breast, and I've just added 1 teaspoon of fresh ginger and garlic paste, a little bit of black pepper and some salt. Now, if you need to add any more seasoning or masalas, you can go ahead and do that. I like to keep my sandwiches very, very simple. All right, so we're just going to cook this on medium heat. And if you want to add more water, you can do that as well. All right, so once it's cooked on one side, I just flip it over and cook it on the other side. Now, if you want to cut this into small pieces or thin strips, you can do that, so that way you don't have to flip it over. So we're just going to continue cooking until all the liquid is completely dried like that and the chicken is well cooked. Okay, so we're just going to take it out. Now on the same pan, I still got the garlic and ginger there. I just add a little bit of oil. Then this is another chicken breast that I have cut it into thin slices like that. And then we're just going to saute this. So I'm going to show you how you can do 2 ways of club sandwich. Just going to sprinkle some salt on the top. Then once it's cooked on one side, it doesn't take too long, maybe about 2 minutes, and then just going to flip it to the other side as well. So once that's done, just going to take the chicken out, the pieces, and then we will be ready to start building our sandwich. Now the chicken that I have cooked, boiled, I just shredded it like that. Then just gonna add some mayonnaise, as much as you want, but don't make it too gooey. Just enough to hold, maybe about 3-4 tablespoons. And then a little bit of mustard, any type of mustard that you want or you like, and whatever you want to add. I just like mustard, and then a little bit of paprika or cayenne pepper if you like the heat, and then black pepper. And also check if you need to add some salt or maybe a little bit of sugar, however you like it. I like to keep it very simple. I know some people like to put a lot of masalas in the chicken mix. It's up to you. So now we're going to the bacon. I'm using turkey bacon. You can use whatever bacon that you have. Bacon is kind of important because club sandwich is a BLT, which is bacon, lettuce, and tomatoes. So once the bacon is cooked well on one side, you don't want to dry it because it's going to be very, very hard. And so that's done. Now we're moving to the bread once this is done, and just get this out. So I've got all my ingredients ready. I'm gonna heat the bread. You can use a toaster if you want. So we're just gonna put butter, a little bit butter. But I like to use the pan because with a toaster I feel it becomes too dry. Now you can use any type of bread. I like whole wheat bread. You can use white bread, and you can also remove the crust on the side. We just do it like that. Doesn't matter. Okay, so you're gonna cook the bread on both sides, and that's done. Now we are ready to assemble the sandwich. A little bit of mayo and mustard. Now you can have a mixture of mayo and mustard together separately, and then just spread it on your bread. You can use any type of mustard that you want. So we're just gonna mix it like that. Just spread it. This is a very, very filling sandwich. You might be thinking 3 slices, but it's really, really filling. I'm so used to having this when I was a child, a teenager, for lunch or for dinner, and it's really, really filling. Okay, so we're just gonna put the bacon first. Make sure the bacon is a little bit warm, so otherwise it's gonna be hard to. Then your lettuce, you can use romaine lettuce or iceberg, and tomatoes, and I like to add cucumbers as well, a little bit of salt and pepper. And then the side that has the mayo and mustard goes down, and then on the top I'm gonna do the same. And the chicken pieces, you can make them thinner than what I have. Now I'm going to cook the egg. I'm making a sunny side, but you can make an omelette if you want to. Then we're just going to cook it on one side, and I like to flip it because I don't like the yolk to be runny. I just want it to be thick enough. Once that's done, just going to place it on top of the chicken, a little bit of salt and pepper, and then, oops, I forgot the lettuce. It's optional, but I love to have a lettuce too on top of the egg. All right, and once that's done, if you have toothpicks, you want to secure this before cutting it. I have no idea where my serrated knife is, so I use this knife. It was okay until the bacon section was a little bit too hard, but I managed, and our sandwich is nice and beautiful, as you can see, just like that. Now I'm going to build the other sandwich. So for this sandwich, I have not used the mayonnaise on the bread because the chicken already has the mayonnaise. All right. So you're just going to put as much as you want, not too thick though, and then some lettuce. Right, and then now on top of this slice, I use the mayonnaise. Well, I hope you enjoy this video because I love club sandwich. Hope you'll try it too. And some lettuce, some tomatoes, and cucumbers, the same process, pepper and salt. And this one I like to put cheese. Then the top layer, and we're done. And you can have this for lunch or dinner with some French fries or without fries. That will work as well. So thank you so much for watching, and I really appreciate your support. And while you are there, please don't forget to press that subscribe button and the bell so you can get notified every time I release a video. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.